is a home for us and our friends. It is unique, marvelous, and well created. It is a nice place to share and survive. But our home faces some serious problems. Air pollution, land pollution, water pollution, exhaust gases and chimney fumes, and more. But what is the solution? One solution is SDG 11, Sustainable Cities and Communities.
One solution is renewable energy.
One solution is renewable energy, yeah. Good, but what is renewable energy?
Renewable energy is energy derived from natural sources that are replenished at a higher rate than they are consumed. Sunlight and wind, for example, are such sources. Renewable energy sources are plentiful and all around us. For example, solar energy, wind energy, geothermal energy, and hydro energy.
Why renewable energy?
Renewable energy sources like sunlight and wind will never run out.
It is carbon free.
Renewable energy is an affordable alternative.
Renewable energy provides a cleaner and healthier and safer environment.
How do we use renewable energy in our school and our school?
It's a green college. In our school, we also use renewable energy. Let's go. Here, you can see the photovoltaic panels on the roofs. We use our own energy. As a green city in Diyarbakır, we also use solar panels for traffic lights. Let's see. We use panels for traffic lights.
And we use sunlight for hot water, especially in summer. Look at the rooftops of the buildings.
We promote renewable energy to protect our home.
To protect our planet.
To protect us.
Will you be helping us